Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your background color on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I think that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface on screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and at the top right of this chart you will be able to see the setting option where you need to click on it and you need to be in the canvas section. And now in this section you'll be able to see the background color, and another way is by right clicking on the chart and you'll be able to see the setting option at the bottom of this section. So once you click over there you'll be redirected to the chart setting section, and you can customize your background color from here. So basically this is how you can change TradingView background color, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.